Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to build a gun. So you have to get this white part and put the blue part over it, and then you have to get this little parts and put over it. Get this part and put it, and get this part. Actually, we had to put the red part in the green part. Because when you not put, it's gonna be bad things, and you don't want bad things in your Lego gun because we are building a Lego gun today. So we have to put this. I will not tell you how to do, but I'll tell another video how to do a Lego gun, Lego gun things. I will just leave comments. I want comments, okay? This video has to get 100 likes or I will never ever build more robots because I will build guns. No more robots. I need if this video gets 1,000 or another good up, I will be happy because I see no ups in my videos. Why? Why guys? Why are you so mean to me? This time I will close my mouth because we want to get straight into the video. We are in the video now. You're saying, why? We are in the video. Yes, we are in the video. So, okay, so yes, we put the right direction. Now we have to put two parts because when you need two parts because it's like a gun. And you have to put a single camera. It will be the shooting place. So here you go. Okay guys, I want 1,000 likes in this video, or 1,000,000, or 10 videos likes. Comment down below, like on my video. I need likes, and subscribe, hit the bell, and I need some comments, really, for some good things, but not watch things and do stuff. Okay, so I need comments good things. See you next time guys. So I need pictures too for your little helps. So next time, bye.